Y'all, I have already lost 5 pounds in the first 7 days of this meal prep journey. I know y'all want to know what I've been doing, so stick around. All right, y'all. So in part 2, it was all about the veggies, washing them, prepping them, dicing them, all that good stuff. If you haven't watched it, go back and watch it after this video. But part 3, it's all about the protein in the breakfast. So I grabbed some salmon and I also grabbed some shrimp and I blackened some of them. And then I also grilled some of it. So just to have some different flavor profiles going on, because you know you got to keep it interesting, right? I also had some scallops, which I didn't cook on camera. But right here, I have some skinless and boneless chicken breasts, and I also put some boneless and skinless thighs in there because that dark meat, baby, just hit different. All right, let's get into the breakfast now. I am not a sweet breakfast girl. I don't need no pancakes. I don't need no waffles, no muffins. I love a savory filling breakfast. This one right here, pay close attention if you love savory breakfast too. So I have some egg whites that I seasoned with a little bit of a dabadooya. The link for the dabadooya is down in the bio because it's got 40% less sodium than Lawry's. Okay, now I have some ground turkey sausage that I browned off earlier, and I'm putting it with some brown rice. Now, here's a hack. Y'all know brown rice be taking forever, but you can buy that minute rice that goes in the microwave. It's already cooked. So you're really just heating it up. Just open it up, pop it into your frying pan or your saute pan with a little bit of cooking spray or a little vegetable oil, and you just heat it through. So I got my sausage. I added a little bit of kale that I had left over. And if you saw part 1, you saw me pick up that pico de gallo at HEB. So I'm adding that in there. That has a little bit of heat, a little bit of acidity, and just gives it some more interesting flavors. Back in the pot now is the egg whites. The egg whites that I scrambled earlier. And that 1 cup of rice, y'all, that makes about 4 good servings of this breakfast rice scramble. I think that's what I'm gonna call it. Comment down below, what should I name this breakfast? But y'all, season it up how you like to. You know me, I use the dabadooya, and voila, you got a good savory breakfast. Next, I'm going to make my omelet muffins. I sprayed up muffin tin, and then the kale that I sauteed in part 2, I am putting it down on the bottom. That's probably about a good tablespoon or so, and then I'm putting the rest of the ground turkey sausage. All I took was 1 pound of ground turkey sausage, the roll that you buy. Half of it went into my breakfast rice scramble. The other half is going into these 12 omelet muffins. Use egg whites, and I'm also going to use a couple of whole eggs, scramble that, whisk that all together. I'm putting some of those peppers and onions in there, a little bit of kosher salt into the egg mixture, and about 1/4 of a cup of heavy cream. If you don't like cream, you can add a little bit of water, whatever you like, and scramble it all up. Pour it over the kale and the ground turkey sausage, and then you pop it into a 375-degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. As soon as it's firm, it's ready to go, y'all. And there you go. That's at least 6 breakfasts if you eat 2 at a time, or more if you only eat 1. And I'm just trying to tell y'all, it's going to change your life. Breakfast is so important. So that's it for part 3. On part 4, I'm going to show you how my husband and I pack up our meals, and then you're going to be on your way to cutting some pounds for the summer. So if you haven't, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications, remember to comment, like, and share the video. See you later.